Hi, this is Abe, and in this video I'll be talking about filtering data using the VARCHAR2 data type, basically showing how to limit the result set that we get back based on some conditions that we set, and those conditions are specifically going to be with the VARCHAR2 data type. Now, in previous videos I used the select statement to retrieve some data, and I went through and discussed how to use that, and I've got the syntax up here. Again, our focus is the conditions for this video. So concerning the VARCHAR2 data type, a couple things to keep in mind. If you're trying to compare character strings, you do have to enclose them in single quotes, and they are case sensitive. And I'll go into how to convert the character strings into either uppercase or lowercase. So for starters, I'm in SQL Developer, got that opened. I'm logged in with an account that I created. Account is Jerry. Got a connection to my database, which I've created some tables in and created some columns with some data. So I've done that all in previous videos. Feel free to go back and review those. And again, hopefully if you're following along, you'll have exactly what I have at this point. So for starters, I'm going to do a select statement with no conditions. I'm going to select from this table here, friend name. I'm going to start with the first name, comma, middle name, comma, last name, and then from friend name. And if I just run that, so I can do a Control Enter. So one quick shortcut, if you're just trying to run the statement, you can either click on that or press Control Enter keys, and that would do the same thing. Okay, so as you can see, it gave us all the records in those columns in the friend name table, 1 through 6. And that's where our conditions come in. So if I do this, I'll copy this statement, and I'm going to add in my conditions, where first name. Now pay attention to this here, and I'm going to try something first, and I'll show you why it doesn't work the way that we're going to do it here. So if I go first name equals single quote and then Chandler. Now to us, these are the same. But if you're trying to compare them, this is not going to work. So I did where first name is Chandler, and I'm going to run that query. And as you could see, there's no results back. So it doesn't identify this to be what we know is in column in the first name column under record number 2. So that's where our conversion comes in. So this is what we have to do. We'll do the same statement, and then we're going to convert what's, if you look back here, I'll run that again. We're going to convert this all to uppercase characters so that it matches what we're trying to compare it to. And we do that by doing this. Upper first name equals Chandler, and I'm going to run that query. Control Enter, and as you can see, it gave us back the result here, and only that result. And we could have used any other name that we wanted to. You could also do the same statement, copy, and do a lower, and then if you change this to and then run that, also the same result. So this is a good way to have the query ignore the cases of strings that you're trying to compare and either convert them to uppercase or lowercase characters. So there you have it. We talked about filtering results that we get back based on some conditions, specifically using the VARCHAR2 data type. I'll be posting these scripts or these statements onto my blog, which I'll link to in the description box below. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Hope you liked the video, and see you later.